Welcome to the latest financial updates.
Hey everyone, let's dive into the key market trends and factors to watch out for this coming week, especially if you're a US investor. There's a lot happening, so let's break it down. First up, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve. This week they'll announce their interest rate decision. Most experts think rates will stay the same, but the real action is in what Fed Chair Jerome Powell says afterward. Investors are eager for hints about future economic policies, especially concerning inflation and potential rate hikes later this year. Speaking of inflation, we'll get a clearer picture with the Consumer Price Index (CPI) and Producer Price Index (PPI) reports coming out. These reports are crucial as they provide insights into inflation trends. The data here could seriously influence the Fed's future moves and, of course, market sentiment. But it's not just about the Fed and inflation. Several other economic indicators are on the horizon this week. We're talking about the housing market, consumer confidence, and manufacturing activity reports. The housing market has been cooling down due to rising interest rates, so investors will be watching for any signs of stabilization or further decline. Consumer confidence is another big one. With ongoing inflation concerns, how confident consumers feel can be a significant indicator of future economic growth. And manufacturing activity reports will give us a sense of how strong the industrial sector is right now. Now, let's switch gears to earnings releases. This week is packed with them, and they can give us valuable insights into specific sectors. Tech giants Oracle and Adobe are set to report, shedding light on the demand for cloud computing and AI products. Intel is also in the spotlight with a big AI-focused product launch, following a similar event by AMD last week. This shows the heated competition in the AI space. In the retail and pharmaceutical sectors, keep an eye on Costco and Chewy's earnings. These will provide insights into consumer spending habits and how inflation is impacting discretionary purchases. Additionally, Regeneron's updates will be crucial for investors in the healthcare space, looking for advancements in drug development and potential growth opportunities. So, what does all this mean for you? Well, understanding these trends and indicators can help you make informed investment decisions. Whether it's adjusting your portfolio or keeping an eye on potential risks, staying informed is key. Remember, the market can be unpredictable, but by paying attention to these factors, you can better navigate the ups and downs. Keep an eye on those Fed announcements, inflation reports, and earnings releases. They'll give you a clearer picture of where the market might be headed. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Stay informed, stay invested, and I'll see you next time. Hey traders, hope you're ready for another week in the Forex market. Let's dive into last week's key events and what to watch for in the coming days. First up, Bitcoin and Ethereum saw positive gains. Political developments were the driving force behind this trend. Although the specifics weren't detailed, it's clear that recent political news has boosted investor sentiment towards cryptocurrencies. Keep an eye on these digital assets, as they can influence broader market trends. Next, let's talk about the USDC ADD pair. It climbed significantly during the North American trading session thanks to weaker than expected retail sales figures in Canada. This data, along with lower than anticipated CPI numbers, suggests the Bank of Canada might cut rates soon. Technically, USDC ADD has broken through a downward trending line and is trading above key moving averages, indicating a bullish trend. But will this momentum push it beyond the current trading range, or will a potential rate cut trigger a reversal? Only time will tell, so stay alert. Now for a quick recap of the Forex market. Last week was filled with volatility, influenced by various economic data releases and geopolitical events. Unfortunately, the details weren't provided, but it's essential to keep abreast of reliable financial news sources for a comprehensive understanding. Consult your financial advisor for personalized insights. Looking ahead, there are several key events to watch. First, keep an eye on central bank announcements. Any unexpected changes in interest rates could cause significant market movements. Also, pay attention to economic data releases, like GDP figures and employment reports. These indicators can provide valuable insights into the health of different economies and potential future trends. And don't forget geopolitical developments. Political news, trade negotiations, and international conflicts can all impact the Forex market. Stay informed and be prepared to adjust your trading strategies accordingly. So, there you have it. A quick overview of last week's market movements and what to watch for in the week ahead. Make sure to stay updated with the latest news and trends to make informed trading decisions. Good luck out there, and happy trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into the top commodity market trends you need to watch next week. If you're an investor, this is crucial information to help you make informed decisions. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about gold. Gold prices have been on the rise, hitting new highs recently. This surge is mainly due to investors anticipating potential interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. When there's economic uncertainty, gold often becomes a go-to safe haven asset. So keep an eye on gold prices, as they can give you a good indication of investor sentiment and potential future market trends. Next, let's turn our attention to the oil market. Oil prices have stabilized to levels we haven't seen since 2015. This has been driven by a combination of factors like an increased global oil supply and easing geopolitical tensions. However, don't get too comfortable. The oil market can be highly volatile. Unexpected production cuts or geopolitical events could still shake things up, so stay vigilant. Now, onto something you might not be thinking about but should be coffee prices. Yep, you heard that right. Coffee prices are surging due to supply constraints and increased demand. This is a perfect example of how interconnected global commodity markets are. If you're invested in commodities or even just a coffee lover, it's worth paying attention to these trends. Price volatility in one area can often ripple through to others. So, what's the takeaway here? As an investor, it's essential to stay informed and adaptable. The commodity market is influenced by a myriad of factors, from geopolitical events to supply-demand dynamics. By keeping a close eye on these trends, you can better navigate the market's ups and downs. Alright, that's all for today's update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. The crypto world is buzzing. Everywhere you look, people are talking about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market. We've seen a big jump in prices. The charts are lighting up with green candles, indicating a strong upward trend. Bitcoin is over $62,000 again. This milestone has reignited interest in the flagship cryptocurrency. Ethereum is also up. The second largest cryptocurrency by market cap is showing impressive gains. Major news outlets are covering the surge, bringing even more attention to the crypto space. Analysts are diving deep into the factors behind the surge, offering various theories and insights. The SEC is looking at Ethereum ETFs. The potential approval could open the floodgates for institutional investment. Some investors are nervous about the market. Traditional markets have been volatile, pushing some to seek refuge in cryptocurrencies. Prices go up, prices go down. Volatility is the name of the game in the crypto world. The thrill of the market's ups and downs keeps everyone on their toes, and the potential for big gains is always enticing. Bitcoin has been on a roller coaster. Up, down, up, down. The price swings are dramatic, and the emotions they evoke are just as intense. It can make your head spin. The volatility is not for the faint-hearted. But one thing is for sure, Bitcoin is still the king. Despite the ups and downs, it remains the most dominant cryptocurrency.
We saw a big sell-off recently. Some folks got scared. The sudden drop in price caused panic. But then, the big institutions stepped in. They bought the dip, stabilizing the market. They know Bitcoin is here to stay. Their involvement adds a layer of credibility and stability to the market. The halving is coming up. This event reduces the reward for mining new Bitcoins, making them scarcer. Historically, this has led to price increases, but nothing is guaranteed.
One thing is clear, Bitcoin is a wild ride. The journey is full of twists and turns, and it's not for everyone. Buckle up and enjoy the show. The world of Bitcoin is unpredictable and exhilarating. The SEC is starting to pay attention to crypto. That's a good thing. We need some rules of the road. But the SEC is also cracking down on some crypto companies.
The big institutions are dipping their toes in. BlackRock, Fidelity, they're all sniffing around, they see the potential, and when they move big.
This is a critical moment for crypto. Regulation is coming. Big money is coming. The future is looking bright, but there are still challenges ahead. Section 4. New trends, new challenges. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, staying updated with the latest trends is crucial.
It's not just about Bitcoin and Ethereum anymore. The market has expanded to include a plethora of digital currencies, DeFi, NFTs, Web3. These innovations are transforming the financial landscape. It's enough to make your head spin. With so much happening, it can be overwhelming.
AI tokens are hot right now. These tokens leverage artificial intelligence to offer advanced functionalities. Not all that glitters is gold. The hype can sometimes overshadow the risks involved.
We're also seeing more focus on sustainability. The environmental impact of crypto mining has been a significant concern. Proof of stake is the new buzzword. This consensus mechanism is gaining popularity for its energy efficiency.
The crypto world is constantly evolving. New technologies and trends emerge regularly, offering fresh opportunities. But it's also what makes it so risky. The volatility and unpredictability of the market can lead to significant financial losses. Section 5. Staying safe in crypto.
So what's the bottom line? Crypto is here to stay. It's the future of finance, but it's still early innings.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket, diversify your portfolio, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
Do your research. There's a
Thank you. And see you in next updates.